Greetings, Earthlings. I am here today to talk about the December 2019 Boxy Luxe. Now, Boxy Charm is like the only subscription box that I haven't canceled. And what I really like about it is that it comes with full-size products, but honestly, there's just a lot of stuff I get that I don't need and end up never using. But let's go ahead, let's go through this box, and I'll show you what I got this month. The theme this month is whimsy. Yeah, so there's that. The first thing in here I was kind of disappointed with, but at the same time I haven't opened it yet, so we'll see what happens. This is by a brand called Daily Concepts. This is the Daily Hair Wrap Towel for a quick, dry, and smoothing experience. Well, I have a lot of hair, and I have very little faith that my hair will fit in this towel. So let's open it up and just see how big it is, because I very bad feeling. I mean, maybe if I wrap my hair up a lot, it might fit. I washed my hair today already though, so I won't be using it, but ooh, this bag is a little bit stained. I don't know if you can tell. There's like blue staining from the dye in the towel, so oh, that's interesting. And this towel is $18. It's an $18 towel for your hair. All right, so let's go on to some other stuff. The makeup that I am wearing today. This is by Storybook Cosmetics. This is Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose, which is Sleeping Beauty. I did use it today, but then I went like crazy with some Stila glitters, so you can't really even see what I did, but the colors in here are actually like really pretty. Let's roll my sleeve up and do some swatches. So this really pink color, Briar Rose, a more mauve color, Spindle, and this metallic copper called Talia, I think, or Kalia. I can't tell if that's an old-timey C or T. So let's swatch these. They're very smooth, by the way. They feel really nice to the touch. And then the second row, we have this like icy blue metallic Castle. Then we have a dark blue Prince. And then this dark plummy color Grim is actually what I have on the outer corner. That one's a little bit like rough to the touch. That one right there. It looked okay on the eye though. These are really pretty. Third row, we have Beauty, which is like a metallic maroon color. We have, I'm not even gonna swatch Woodland because you're not gonna be able to see it. Then we have Enchanted, which is what I initially had on the lid before I went crazy with some Stila glitters. Wait, here we go, that's pretty. That one had a little bit of fallout just then. And then we have Fairies, which is like this real icy blue metallic. Thorn, which is a pretty mauve color. And then Kiss, which is a very interesting like pink with gold shimmer in it. Let's do it over here. So we have, that's really pretty. Keep forgetting what fingers I swatched them on. They're all very pretty. The thing is kind of bulky, the palette itself, but I mean, it's cute. It's got a theme. It looks like a book. So it has an excuse to look the way it does. And that eyeshadow palette is $55. It's pretty expensive. All right, on my lips, I have the Too Faced Melted Metallic lipstick in Faking It. I'm not a really big fan of the color. I feel like the Boxy Charms keep giving me these like really like toned down nude colors, but I mean, I guess they have to try to make everybody happy. I do like this formula. I have one other matte metallic, and it's like a red one, but this one, it's not terrible. They are kind of comfortable even though they're matte. I don't have a problem with them. And this is $21. So another makeup product that we got in here that I didn't actually use, this is by Ciaté London. This is a Confetti highlighter. It's a warm glow highlighter. The reason I didn't use it is because it's like kind of way too dark for me. The packaging is cute and the inside of it's really pretty too. I've opened this before and I put it right back in the package, so I do not know why this happened. Look, oh my gosh, I don't even focus. Look, it's just the whole thing fell apart. It's all over my jeans. But what I was getting at was, it's just too dark for me. See that? It's like a copper rose gold color. And now it is garbage. And that was a $32 highlight. Seriously. 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 And then we also got this by a brand I've never heard, In Beauty Project. This is the Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. Helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. I don't usually like super glowy setting sprays, but it kind of smells like some kind of cleaning product. It's not terrible though. It feels nice. It feels nice and hydrating, like it just woke up my skin, just like it claims to do. And that is $32. Okay, we got a few more things in here. We have this behemoth of a face wash. This is by Fresh. This is the Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. This thing is really big. I don't really need any face washes right now, but I'm pretty sure I've tried this. I'm pretty sure I got a sample in like a Sephora Play. This goes for $48. That is one expensive face wash. I need something that can just magically heal all of my nasty zits. Like, you see that right there? There's like 5 zits right there by my eye. I'm 28 years old. Why do I still have acne? Okay, moving on. We have this by another brand I've never heard. This is M.Greengrass Dry Oil Spray in the fragrance Beach Hair, and it's inspired by Greece. I'm actually really confused by what this is. It's in a glass bottle. I don't know what dry oil is. Is it for your hair? I mean, its scent is beach hair, so let's read what it actually has to say. M.Greengrass Dry Oil Spray. This fast-absorbing, multi-purpose dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Okay, and this is $36. This is 4 fluid ounces, so a dry oil? I don't know, let's see. It kind of smells like Dove bar soap. I mean, I guess it does feel nice. I just put it on top of all those eyeshadow swatches. Yeah, it's not bad. I don't know if I'll use it. Definitely not this time of year with that kind of scent. Maybe more in the summer. I mean, it's December. I mean, it feels like summer here in Florida, but whatever. We have this by Saturday Skin. This is Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I have not tried this yet. Oh, that's really cute packaging. I like it. I wonder if it smells good. I feel like it smells good. I love when stuff smells good. I don't smell anything. It looks like it would feel nice. Maybe I'll have to try that tonight. This is $39. It's an anti-aging Glacier water cream. I'll have to try that. And there is one more thing for us to talk about, and it is the most expensive thing in the box. This is supposedly $200. $200. I've never heard of this brand. QMS Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. It's supposed to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. It doesn't say how it's supposed to be used, so I kind of put some on last night before bed, and then I put some on today before I did my makeup. It pops open like this, which is kind of cool, I guess, and then it's just like this really light, milky white liquid. It does make your lips feel hydrated, I guess, but it's, I don't know, it's very interesting. I need to look it up like on its actual website and see what it's for, because the card in the Boxy Charm box doesn't say how to use it. And yeah, it's pretty much the same thing that it says on the back too. What it's for, not how to use it. Okay, so that was it for our December 2019 Boxy Luxe box. Well, I'm filming on my phone now, so I cannot actively calculate everything. I mean, I could try to do it in my head, but I don't see that happening. So I will put down below the total of what everything cost. $200. $200. Is this really worth $200? We'll have to see. I am very disappointed in that highlight. I am being very careful not to wipe it off of me because I know it's just gonna spread. It fell apart just in those tiny little like granules. It's all over the floor. Holy cow. I'm kind of trying to figure out if I want to keep Boxy Charm or not. Oh well, I hope you like this video. Please like it and subscribe, and I will love you forever, and I'll see you later. Bye.